Hey everybody, I am out here in the rain looking at different houses, and I actually had somebody that was talking about this because they canceled an appointment with me because they didn't want to actually see a house in the rain. And that sort of prompted a discussion, and as it turns out, we're still seeing the house. But I wanted you to think about something, and that is that when you actually look at houses in the rain, you're looking at the good, bad, and the ugly. And I absolutely love seeing houses when it's in bad weather, because if there's any kind of pooling, as far as water is concerned, you're going to see that. If there's any kind of roof leaks, you're going to notice those. If the gutters, I was showing one house and it was just pouring. It was absolutely hilarious. But we noticed that the gutters were backed up. So I want you to consider seeing houses in bad weather. After all, I know we're sort of spoiled here in California. However, at the same time, we actually have opportunities throughout the nation, and they would always go out in different types of weather. The people that are actually selling houses at this time of year are people that are serious about selling, and the people that are actually out looking at houses this time of year are serious buyers. So if you've considered buying a house, don't let the weather stop you. If you've considered selling a house, absolutely don't let the weather stop you. This is one of my favorite times of year, is when we actually can see exactly what a house is like. Give it a thought. And again, pass this on to your family and friends. We always love your feedback and questions, and I hope you've enjoyed this topic of the day. Have a super wonderful day. This is Call Krista with OAC Real Estate Services. We're helping you see your dreams come true. Have a great day. Bye.